Tonight's bedtime bird is one of my favorites. The great spotted woodpecker tonight. Although you might think woodpeckers won't visit gardens, they can often be seen at bird feeders, feasting on peanuts, mealworms, and suet. When they're not taking advantage of food offered in gardens, these distinctive woodpeckers hammer holes in trees to find insects such as beetle grubs. About the size of a starling, the great spotted woodpeckers are primarily black and white, with a red patch under the tail. Juveniles have red crowns and males have red on the back of the neck. Males have a patch of red on the back of their heads, which enables identification of the pairs. Widespread black and white woodpecker with a range that covers much of Eurasia. Note the big white shoulder patches, extensive red on vent, and black crown. Males have a red patch at the back of their head. Juveniles have a red cap. Both pairs have a red cap. Size and bold black and white plumage distinctive in most range. Inhabits almost all types of forest and woodland, parkland, gardens, and even farmland with hedges and scattered larger trees. Feeds mainly on trunks and larger branches. Also visits feeders. Gives off a sharp often in series. Drums frequently, often given a short, fast series that trails off quickly. Now there are two types of calls I'm going to play. So the first one I'm gonna do is the call of the great spotted. And then after that, I'm going to be playing the drumming on it. So here's its call. Ooh. Nice. Now it's time for some drumming. I think I'll play that again, really. Nice. That was the great spotted woodpecker, tonight's bird. Nice. Now tomorrow's I already got. Now tomorrow's bird is a bit special. Ooh, the sparrowhawk tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. That's all for today. See you soon. Bye.